Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how I can pay Jollibee using the GGives. So first thing that you should do here is we have to activate the GGives. So if you haven't yet, so you just have to open your GCash application and then tap the borrow option. All right, and then you just have to select the GGives and then you just have to activate it. And then just have to complete the requirement, personal info plus verification, and then just wait for the confirmation from GCash. So after that, you just have to go to your nearest Jollibee branch. And then you just have to dine in, take out, drive through, or use the Jollibee app website delivery. And at the cashier or checkout, you just have to choose a GCash as your payment method. Okay, so you just have to pay via GGives. So all you have to do when the cashier shows the GCash QR code, you just have to open your GCash and then tap on the pay QR or scan the code option. Okay, so the payment screen will appear. So tap see installment options. This only appears if the merchant supports the GGives. So you just have to choose your installment plan, 3, 6 months, and then just have to agree to the disclosure statement and then tap pay with GGives. After that, you're done. Your Jollibee order is paid through installment. So important note, not all Jollibee branches support GGives. Sometimes the option won't appear even if you scan the QR code. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.